And we welcome to all of you. We continue our discussion of binomial expansions. Now we will be following the textbook questions in the order in which they are given in the book. So try to follow the textbook also along with this. Now we consider an example. The coefficient of a raised to 4, b raised to 8 in 2a minus 3b the whole raised to 12. So we require a formula of the expansion of this. Now the general term t r plus 1 in a plus b the whole raised to n is ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. We apply that result. So here tr plus 1 is 12cr 2a the whole raised to 12 minus r into minus 3b the whole raised to r. So that simplifies to 12cr 2 raised to 12 minus r minus 3 the whole raised to r multiplied by a raised to 12 minus r into b raised to r. Now we require a raised to 4, b raised to 8. So b raised to 8. So r is 8. If you put r equals 8, you get a raised to 4, b raised to 8. So the answer is obtained by putting r equals 8. So the answer is 12c8. 2 raised to 12 minus 8 is 4 into minus 3 the whole raised to 8, which is actually 12c4, 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 8. We apply 12c8 is simply 12c4. Another example, the independent term in the expansion of 2x minus 3 by x the whole raised to 14. Here tr plus 1 is 14cr, then 2x raised to 14 minus r into minus 3 by x the whole raised to r. Now we require the power of x. Here the power is x raised to 14 minus r. Here the power of x is r in the denominator, so it becomes minus r. So the power of x is 14 minus r, and we require the independent term, means power is 0. So 14 minus r should be 0, giving you r equals 7. When you put r equals 7, the answer comes 14c 7, 2 raised to 14 minus 7 into minus 3 raised to 7. Minus 3 the whole raised to 7 is minus. So finally it is minus 14c 7, 2 raised to 7, 3 raised to 7. Terms in the expansion of a plus b the whole raised to n. We are looking for the middle term or middle terms. Case 1, when n is even, there are n plus 1 terms. So n plus 1 is odd number of terms. That means there is only one middle term. For example, 2 plus 3x the whole raised to 12. There are 13 terms. So 6 terms come before the middle term and 6 terms come after the middle term. So we see the 7th term, t7, is the middle term. So it is t6 plus 1. Always the formula is t r plus 1. So r is 6. So 12c6, 2 raised to 12 minus 6 into 3x the whole raised to 6, which simplifies to 12c6, 2 raised to 6, 3 raised to 6, x raised to 6, giving the answer. Now case 2, when n is odd, n plus 1 is even. So number of terms is even. That means there will be 2 middle terms. For example, 2x minus 3y the whole raised to 15. There are 16 terms. So middle term will come after 7 terms. So before the middle term there will be 7 terms. After the middle term there will be 7 terms. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 2 terms will remain as the middle terms. So the middle terms are T8 and T9. T8 is T7 plus 1 is 15C7, 2x the whole raised to 8 minus 3y the whole raised to 7. That simplifies to this minus is 7 power. So minus 15C7, 2 raised to 8, 3 raised to 7, x raised to 8, y raised to 7. Now T9 is T8 plus 1. It is 15C8, 2x the whole raised to 15 minus 8, which is 7. Then minus 3y the whole raised to 8. That simplifies to 15C8, 2 raised to 7, 3 raised to 8, x raised to 7, y raised to 8. So these two are the middle terms. We consider an example. The greatest term in 2 plus 3x, the whole raised to 20, when x is 1 by 4. Now, we have the formula tr plus 1 by tr is n minus r plus 1 by r into b by a in the expansion of a plus b, the whole raised to n. We apply this formula in this question. So, tr plus 1 by tr is 20 minus r plus 1 by r into b by a, 3x by 2. And we put the value, x is 1 by 4. So ultimately it becomes 21 minus r by r into 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. Now we apply tr plus 1 by tr less than or equal to 1. Now we can see in the expansions t1 is less than t2, is less than t3, is less than t4. But a stage comes, you can see t7 is less than t6, t8 is less than t7. So there is an upper bound, maximum value that comes out. So tr plus 1 by tr is less than or equal to 1, giving 3 into 21 minus r is less than or equal to 8r. This will go to the other side. So you see 63 minus 3r is less than or equal to 8r, or minus 3r goes to the other side, giving you 63 is less than or equal to 11r, or r from there is more than or equal to 63 by 11, which is 5 and 8 by 11. So r should be more than 5 and 8 by 11. So r must be 6. Now some situations will come when r is greater than or equal to some fixed number. That means r can take that value also. So if r is greater than or equal to 7, we can say r is 7 is also possible. Now here, strictly r is more than this number, and r cannot be equal to this fraction. So we go for the higher number than 5, which is 6. So r equals 6. So this is a situation t7 is less than t6. So t6 is the biggest one. So the greatest term is t6, which is 20c5, 2 raised to 15, then 3 by 4, the whole raised to 5. That gives you the answer. Then we apply tr plus 1 by tr is n minus r plus 1 by r into b by a formula in this question. Find a if t20, 20th term equals t20 first in the expansion of 3 plus 2a, the whole raised to 15. So tr plus 1 by tr is 50 minus r plus 1 by r into b by a is 2a by 3. So tr plus 1 by tr is 50 minus 20 plus 1. That's 50 minus 20 plus 1 into 2a by 3 into 20. And this is equal to 1 because the two terms are equal. So t21 by t20 is 1. So tr plus 1 by tr is 1 for r equals 20. So that simplifies. 50 minus 20 plus 1 into 2a is 3 into 20, which is 60, or a equals 60 divided by 2 into 31, or 30 divided by 31. Answer. Now we consider two examples. Expansion of 99 the whole raised to 6 using binomial. So we require some number near 99 which is comfortable to work. So we take 100 minus 1 is 99 power 6. Now this is a minus b, the whole raised to n formula. So the result is 100 raised to 6 minus 6 divided 6 by 1, 100 raised to 5 plus 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, 100 raised to 4 minus 6, 5, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 100 raised to 3 plus 6, 5, 4, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancelling 3, 4, you see 6, 5 over 1, 2, 100 square minus 6 by 1. You can see the numbers 6 by 1 will come again, 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 will come again. So that symmetry applies. So net effect is 100 raised to 6 minus 6 by 1 into 100 raised to 5 plus 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, 100 raised to 4, minus 6 5 off by 1 2 3, 100 raised to 3, plus 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, 100 square, minus 6 by 1 into 100 plus 1. You can simplify. Another example, 0.99, the whole raised to 6. 0.99 is 1 minus 0.01. So we go for a minus b, the whole raised to n formula. So it is 1 raised to 6 is 1, we don't write it, 1 minus 6 into 0.01 plus 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, 0.01 square, plus 654 by 1 2 3, 0.01 cube, plus again you are reversing 6 5 by 1 2, 0.01 raised to 4, minus 6 by 1, 0.01 raised to 5, and finally it is 0.01 raised to 6. We can simplify. Now for example, suppose you want to show that 1.01 raised to 100,000 is more than 1000. Now let us see, left hand side is 1 plus 0.01 the whole power 100,000. So we see it is 1 plus 100,000 into 0.01 plus etc. But this fellow itself is 1000. So 1 plus 1000 plus etc. which is definitely more than 1000. So we see left hand side is more than the right hand side answer. Now we consider an example. Simplify. X plus y the whole raised to 5 minus x minus y the whole raised to 5. So we have the expansion of x plus y the whole raised to 5 using the binomial. It is x raised to 5 plus 5 by 1 x raised to 4 into y plus 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 x raised to 3 y square plus 5 4 3 by 1 2 3, that 3 cancels, giving you 5 4 by 1 2 x squared y cube plus 5 by 1 x y raised to 4 plus y raised to 5. Now the binomial coefficients are 1, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3 is same as 5c2, 5c4 is same as 5c1, and 5c5 is 1. Now in the case of x minus y the whole raised to 5, you see plus y goes to minus y. So wherever there is y, you replace it by minus y. This becomes minus y. This becomes minus y the whole square, which is plus. This becomes minus. This becomes plus. So finally, you are getting x minus y the whole raised to 5 as x raised to 5 minus 5 by 1 x raised to 4 into 1 plus 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 x raised to 3 y squared minus 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 x squared y cube plus 5 by 1 x y raised to 4 minus y raised to 5. Equations 1 and 2. Now when you subtract 1 from 2, you see from 2 from 1, we are subtracting 2 from 1. 1 minus 2 gives you the answer. Negative terms will only come because minus minus is plus. This will cancel by itself. So you get 2 times the negative terms. We need only take 2 times the negative terms. So we see the answer is 2 times 5 x raised to 4 into y plus 10, 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 is 10, x squared y cube, and finally that y raised to 5. So answer is 2 into 5x raised to 4y plus 10 x squared y cube plus y raised to 5. Now for example, if root 3 plus 1 the whole raised to 5 minus root 3 minus 1 the whole raised to 5 is required, you need only replace x by root 3, y by 1. The answer comes. So x is root 3, y is 1. X is root 3, y is 1. Y is 1. So root 3 power 4 is 3 power 2 is 9 into 5 is 45. Root 3 power 2 is 3 into 10 is 30 plus 1. So 2 times 45 plus 30, 75 plus 1, 76. 2 times 76. Final answer is 152. We will be discussing more questions later. For the time being, we make you understand the fundamentals for the plus 1 classes. Then we will advance to plus 2 and then IIT. Make sure that you follow the textbook lessons also simultaneously so that all things will come in your brain and your heart. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you.